Good morning, dear students. Hello, how are you, all of you? Last period we have learned the lesson the tale of the Peter Rabbit. Okay, I hope you have understood this lesson. I hope you have understood the story. Now let us move to the reading comprehension. First question A. Take the correct answer. First, Mrs. Rabbit had dash children. Mrs. Rabbit had how many children she had? 3, 4, 5, 2. She had 4 children. Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail. Dash listen to their mother. Sometimes, never, always, rarely. Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail always listen to their mother. Always. The three of them always listen to their mother. Third, Peter ate dash of Mr. McGregor's vegetables. Options are here: some, a lot, a little bit, all. Peter ate dash of Mr. McGregor's vegetables. Some of vegetables Peter ate. The correct answer is some. Fourth one, Mr. McGregor ran after Peter with a dash. Mr. McGregor ran. He was chasing. The gardener, Mr. McGregor, ran after Peter with a rake. Rake, it's an instrument to use in the garden. Fifth, Peter's mother gave him dash for dinner. Peter's mother gave him tea for dinner. When the Peter returned at home after facing too much problems, and he get tired that at last he reached his home. At that time, Peter's mother gave him tea for dinner. Next, question B. Answer these questions. First, where did Peter live? Where did Peter live? Peter lived in a sandbank under the root of a big fir tree. Big fir tree where Peter and his mother and his brother and sister living in a sandbank under the root of a big fir tree. Okay. Question number 2. What happened to Peter's red jacket? Answer. Peter's red jacket had to be left behind in Mr. McGregor's garden as its large button got caught in the gooseberry. Red button get caught in gooseberry's net when Peter was running away from here. Peter's red jacket had to be left behind. Left behind means it getting caught in Mr. McGregor's garden as its large button. That's why it got caught in the gooseberry net when the Peter was running away from here. Question 3. Where did Peter hide? Peter hid inside a can of water. Inside a can, it is full of water in the can, and in that place the Peter hid inside a can of water in the tool shed. Next, question number 4. Was it a good hiding place? Was it a good place? It was a good place to hiding. Why or why not? Answer. No, it wasn't a good hiding place as the can was full of water. As the can was full of water, Peter felt cold and sneeze. When the Peter hiding himself into the can with a full of water, at that time he felt cold, and that's why he is getting cough and cold. So he was sneezing. Sneezing means chikna. Okay. Fifth, how did Peter manage to reach home? Answer. Peter managed to reach home by jumping out of a window. Peter managed to reach home by jumping out of a window and running as fast as possible. And it was running as fast as possible. He asked a rat and then a cat for directions as he could not find his way. He did not get way to reach home. That's why he was asking to a rat and a cat the direction as he could not find his way to the gate that led out of the garden. Let us move vocabulary corner. As you have already learned, a verb takes on different meanings. A verb takes different meanings when it is combined with different prepositions or adverbs. If we add the preposition to the verb, it gets different meaning. The combination is called a phrasal verb. So combination of verb and preposition come together, it's get different meaning. So it is called phrasal verb. Verb with preposition and adverbs makes phrasal verb. Walk, it's a verb. Into, it is the preposition. Put, it is the verb. On, it is the preposition. It's come together. It's get meaning different. So it is called phrasal verb. Okay. Let us move the question. Match the phrasal verb with its meaning. We have to match the verbs or match the phrasal verb with its meaning. First, get away. Get away. Here are given the options. Now I am going to read. Recover from, enter, escape. Correct answer is escape. Second, get up. Recover from, enter, to stand up. Yes, get up means to stand up. Get over, third, means recover from. Fourth, get back. Get back means return. Fifth, get into means enter. Okay. Now all of you match this phrasal verb and complete the exercise. Dear students, you have to learn the phrasal verb with its meaning. Okay. If you learn the phrasal verb and their meanings, it will be helpful for you for reading, to understand the language, English language. You can use this phrasal verb in your own sentence. Let us complete the exercise given with the help of phrasal verbs. This phrasal verb, we have to complete the table. We have to complete the paragraph with the help of this phrasal verb. Okay. You may have to change form of some phrasal verb. You can change the form of phrasal verb. Peter was a naughty rabbit who always dash trouble. Who always. What should be the answer here? Peter was naughty rabbit who always dash trouble. Got into. Here, get into means enter. He always got in troubles. So we have to write here in place get. We have to change the form of get into. It will become got into. Got into. Next, Mr. McGregor almost caught Peter with the rake, but dash and managed. He got up. He got up. We have to write here. Main verb is here. Get up means he always ready to stand. When Mr. Gregors almost caught Peter with a rake, but he got up means he stand up and managed to dash and hide in a watering can. And dash managed to get away and hide in a watering can. When he dash to his house under the big fir tree. When he dash his house under the big fir tree, Peter was very tired and sick. When he got back, when he returned at his home, get back, we have to change its form. So we should have to write here got back, because this incident already happened. So we have to write here got. It's a past tense. Got back to his house under a big fir tree. Peter was very tired and sick. It took him a few days to dash get over the cold he caught hiding in the water can, but he was back to his naughty self in no time. He get over. Peter was very tired and sick. Why he was getting tired and sick? Because he jumped into the water can. So he get cough and cold, and he caught hiding in the watering can, but he was back to his naughty self in no time. It means still Peter was naughty when he was back to his naughty self in no time. He was naughty and back to home in no time. So dear students, all of you have to complete the all exercise and learn the question answer. Read the all phrasal verbs, learn them and use the words in correct sentences. Try to make a sentence with the help of this phrasal verb. Okay, do it.